Manual impact driver. You
give it. It's a man's tool, Tim. I'm here with my buddy Tim, also known as Mr. Goodwrench. So I've got this screw right here that Tim is about to grind a slot in because it won't break free.
I gotta get a angle on it.
This way, right? Just watch the.
I don't want to do it that way. So it's that way.
Just watch
and
the.
I should be able to go. One more time.
Like a boss. So what I had done is I had replaced all of my rotors, and this one for some reason I could not get these two rotor screws out. I stripped this one and was about to strip this one. Tim got this one out with a nifty little device. What was that thing at, Tim?
Call it impact driver. Manual impact driver.
Manual impact driver. So you smack it basically with a hammer. It's got like a
little turn.
Yeah, it gives it a turn as it pushes it in.
And I was gonna find the Phillips for that. Or I cut another. Oh, there it is.
What we got over here, Tim?
I had to find a flathead.
Every man's dream toolbox.
Huh?
I can't add any more.
Okay.
We got Mary Claire over here picking, what are these called?
Hickory nuts.
Hickory nuts. You like hickory nuts?
No.
No, right?
They're
A lot of work.
Turn off.
Evil.
Tim, what we got?
The screw that won't come loose.
Okay, now where's the
Manual impact driver. You
give it. It's a man's tool, Tim.
Cut a new slot. Get it right in the middle. You give it a turn the way you want it to go.
Right. Dude, there it goes. Holy cow. First hit.
Hilarious.
I don't know if it's the tools or your man beard that makes you more manly than me.
It's my mask beard, not a man beard.
Well,
because it's in the shape of the mask I wore on.